Most entrepreneurs struggle to convert interest into sales. A sales genius knows the secret. Don't chase clients, attract them with a lead magnet that builds trust and opens doors to revenue. Today, I'll show you how to create one on Wix like a true sales genius. Step 1. Craft an irresistible offer. If you're in coaching, it could be a free high-income skills guide. If you run a software business, maybe a 7-day productivity blueprint. The value should be immediate, practical, and aligned with your audience's biggest needs. Step 2. Use Wix's drag and